How are you? This is the Region I Corporation, specialized in manufacturing BGA, SMD, Rework station in Korea.
Allow us to introduce features and advantages of BK-350s BGA Rework Station. The product is developed as specialized in repairing small products such as smartphones, tablet personal computers. It's possible to move the upper heater by turning the black knob. Unlocking the levers fixed on left and right sides is possible to move the upper heater in every direction and to make you move your working points. By providing SD card slot on the right side, it's possible to let the built-in temperature profile out or import any temperature profile manufactured by another device. PCB device is designed to be available for fixing to small PCB and for moving from side to side. By laser machining the upper and the lower nozzles precisely with magnetic application, it's removable and rotatable, and the lower heater is possible to move up and down. The laser pointer functions to mount PCB and to check the center of components for targeting works. It's helpful to observe conditions of components in PCB while at work with the naked eye by high luminance LED lighting. By automatically operating the suction function in 10 seconds before chip desorption is completed, the component to be removed is sucked with 120 grams pressure. The cooling function is possible to set within 60 seconds to 999 seconds after programs for component mounting and component removal are completed. The high-performance 7-inch touch panel display is installed. By adopting PID temperature control method with ARM 32-bit CPU, it's possible to control temperature flexibly and precisely. When changing all set values, it's possible to easily input data and change with touch panel as computer keyboard type. It's possible to input 9 levels in setting temperatures into the upper and the lower heater. For other settings, it's possible to set offset function and cooling time for variable temperature of the upper and the lower heater, air volume of heaters, application nozzles, record of sizes, etc. By providing the functions of storage and copy, it's possible to store and copy temperature programs in the similar condition and to store minimum more than 20,000 temperature profiles. On the main menu screen, values of the upper and the lower heater are automatically recorded in graphs in blue color and yellowish green color respectively, and results of the values set by temperatures are possible to test by generating the temperature graph in red color in real time if the temperature sensor outdoor is placed on the position where the work is done. All values that are varied in real time are represented on the bottom of monitor while at work. The stored temperature profile is possible to easily search with filtering function and to let out to SD card and import. As the auto generator profile changes values set by the upper and the lower heater by itself, based on the value of temperature sensor outdoor attached on the component for the work, the optimal working condition is found and the temperature profile is stored as the name you want. Now, the video to be shown is to remove various components of smartphone's PCB. There may be the plastic heat deformation and damages of PCB caused by high temperature in components, including plastic materials, when being installed to remove the components by using the one-dimensional device as the heat air fan. With use of BK-350s device, components applied with plastic as well as components in DIP type are possible to remove as the quality to be reused. The video will show various components to be removed by using the suction device. In case of components that are not ones of semiconductor, such as connectors, ear jacks, etc., desolder and solder of components are possible to be done at one time as the video. There is the comparison after working with components manufactured by BK-350s and components manufactured by a general heat gun. The plastic deformation manufactured by the specialized rework station is the good quality to be reused. The components manufactured by heat gun are shown never to be reused because of plastic deformation caused by high temperature, and also the quality of PCB with them is not reliable. The best Korea specialized in rework station of semiconductor components is concentrating on developing products for only customers. Thank you for watching.